like hurts so bad. I'm gonna stop goofing.
Yes, Mom.
So the last shadow I'm gonna use is
focus. Whoop! Gotta sparkle. If you want to see Steph's brother get murdered, to keep watching. He's never gonna get a girlfriend. Are we recording?
Yep.
Oh.
If I didn't rob it on guard, would you still? If I minimize my net worth, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special guest whom you've seen before, and today we did the one palette challenge where you use every single shade in a palette, and we both use Morphe palettes, which are huge. So it was quite a challenge.
Yes, it was. Oh my
but after this video, we're gonna film a video for her channel, so I'll link that in the description as well.
You gotta go watch it and subscribe. I mean, come on now. She's gonna be in it, so we just don't know what we're gonna do yet.
If you guys want to see how we created these looks and use numerous shades to do so.
Breakdowns and cried and
Yeah.
got frustrated.
Quite a few mental breakdowns in the process.
Yep.
But we did it. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette.
And I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502.
So we're just going to get right into it.
Gotta prime our eyes first for this
Yeah,
masterpiece that's about to come out of nowhere.
I'm just using the Tarte Shape Tape to prime.
I'm using my Urban Decay.
So I'm going to start off with the white shade in this corner.
Alright, so I'm going to take the first shade in this palette called Universal.
And I'm just going in with the nude shade.
I think I'm going to mix tan and orb together to also put in the crease.
I'm just going to go in with the next nude shade and just apply that all over the lid as well.
Then I'm going to go in with this color that is under Universal called Lux.
I think I'm going to start with the yellow. I'm just taking that matte yellow down there.
Alright, so now I'm going to take the shade Contour, which is like a lighter, kind of like brownish color. It doesn't look light on camera, but it's actually kind of like a lighter brown. And just kind of blend over everything.
I think I'm going to go in with this light orange over here.
Okay, now I think I'm going to take the shade Spice, which is down here.
I'm going to take this like coral one over here.
I hope everyone knows that we're literally like making this up as we go.
I'm going to take the bright orange down there.
Now I think I'm going to take the shade right next to Spice, which is this one, called Terracotta.
Now we're going to start with the pinks, which we have plenty to work with.
Got plenty to work with.
I'm going to take the lightest one, which is next to that white.
Okay, can I just say something quick for a minute here? Aside from the fact that this is like my nightmare come to life, but I actually do recommend this challenge to people because I use this palette every day. Like, this is my daily go-to palette, but I don't use every color, obviously, so I feel like it's cool to like take a palette you use a lot or a palette that you just got and like try to use every color so you can like, now I've got some ideas for like other things I could do with some of the other colors that I've never used before. Now I think I'm going to take the shade Dust down here. This is upside down. Dust is down here.
I'm gonna take this darker like pink mauve shade right there.
I also recommend, if you're going to do this challenge, to have either a lot of brushes or a lot of brush cleaner with you.
I'm gonna take that like bright hot pink. I think it's right there.
So I'm going to take the shade Risky, which is this one, and I'm going to mix that with a little bit of Heat.
I think I'm gonna take my only red shade, which is right there, I think. And blend that into the pink. Take the like really neon purple right there.
I think I'm going to take a bit of In the Zone and where is it? Rich. And then mix those together just on the outer part of my lid.
That color right there. I'm gonna take the really deep like indigo-y purple right there.
Okay, I'm about to tackle probably the hardest part of this palette. I'm going to take the shade Ablaze, which is this beautiful orange right here, and let's get that out of the way. I'm going to get the orange and the red out of the way.
I'll take the even darker like purplish shade under it. Use it for the outer V.
Could you imagine if someone did that, like following someone's tutorial and they tried to copy this look? I'm going to tell you right now, if you try to copy this, it's going to look like you got punched in the eye. Now I'm going to take the shade Fire, which is this beautiful red right there, and I'm just going to take that on a blending brush as well.
I'm taking this grayish purple and just blending all the colors together.
Now I think I'm going to take the shade Fawn, which is this corner one right here, and I'm going to just run that through the top part of the crease.
It's gonna look like the Instagram logo.
Oh my gosh, that would be so fun to do too. Like, eye looks inspired by like the, yeah, there you go, Instagram. Oh my god, look at that fallout.
I know. That's why we don't do our face first.
Oh my god, can you imagine if we did foundation first? You know what, I'm just gonna do it. We're gonna dive in with the shade Ruby. We're gonna start getting into some of these shimmers and get those out of the way as well. So we're gonna take a little bit of Ruby on a packing brush that I don't have. Give me a second. Now I'm gonna take the shade Sauce, which is this one, the shimmery orange, and we're gonna pack that kind of in the center of the lid. And I'm actually gonna wet my brush for this one because I kind of want this orange to stand out a little bit. Whoa! Hello. Okay, can I just say something real quick? Because I'm proud of myself. This whole second row, I've used all those colors already. Zodak, let's see, this one, Zippy, and Bronze. And I'm going to kind of mix all those shimmers together because I'm hoping they'll darken when I mix them together so I can put them on the outer corner. I'm not going to wet the brush for this either. Sizzle, Amber, and Polished, and I'm going to mix those together. I think I'm going to take this shade called Brick, right there.
So I'm going to start with this lime matte green.
I'm going to take this beautiful white gold shade called Pure, and I'm going to just highlight my brow bone with that.
I'm going in with the next green shade right there.
Green, green, green. So now I'm going to mix the shade Chestnut and Brave, and I'm going to pop that into the outer part of my crease as well.
Going in with the next green in this row right there. I think I'm going to use this kind of tealish green up here first.
So the last thing I'm going to do on the lid is I'm going to take this black color called Whiz, and I'm just going to smoke it out on my lash line as kind of like the illusion of liner.
Oh, that green has a lot of fallout.
Yes.
Now I'm going to go in with the darkest like emerald green down here.
So I'm just going to quick do my foundation and like basic base stuff kind of in the background before I try to do the lower lash line.
So I'm going to start off with this blue right up here in the upper corner. I think I'm going to focus the blue on the center of my lid.
Oh my god, I didn't wipe away the fallout first. It looks like I got blood on my face. Oh my god.
I'm going to take the bright aqua matte color. So I'm gonna take like this dark navy color right above the black. So now I'm just gonna go over every color to make sure everything's standing out.
Shout out to the little kid that fixed our camera problem.
Yeah, I'll link your channel in the description. Thank you.
So I'm gonna mix the shade. Which one is it? Oh yeah, Stone and Toast Brunette, which is actually kind of funny because it doesn't really look like a brunette. Like it kind of has like a purpley like undertone to it.
Now my face looks a little better.
Oh, look at how pretty you look.
So I'm going in with the yellow shimmer over here.
I'm gonna take the shade Muddy, which is this one right next to the black.
Just gonna take this like light red shimmer and place it over the orange.
I'm gonna take this shade called So Warm, and I'm kind of gonna just blend that over the whole bottom lash line to blend everything together.
I'm gonna go in with this light pink shimmer right here, taking this next pink shimmer like right up here.
So now I'm gonna take, where is it? This shade called Halo, and I'm gonna pop that in the center under my lower lash line.
This one's a fail of a shimmer.
She's the shimmer queen. She loves shimmer.
So I'm gonna take my favorite shimmer in this palette right here.
Now I'm going to take this shimmer called Rustic.
Gonna use this shimmery purple up here first.
Okay, now for my favorite part. The last shadow I have to use, and I technically already used it, but I'm going to take this beautiful white gold, and we're not focused. Whoop!
Good job.
I'm going to take this beautiful white gold called Pure, and I'm actually going to wet my brush for this because I really want the inner corner to stand out because my eyes look so dark and evil.
Next, purple shimmer right here.
I'm officially done with the eyes.
Using the green shimmer first. What?
This happened in, I think it's you, because the last time that happened to me it was on your channel. Watched the video and I was like, oh, damn.
So now I think I just have three shadows left. So I'm gonna take this
I'm done.
beautiful blue shimmer on my lid. No one cares.
I care. I care a lot. I was so nervous. And I'm done.
I think I'm gonna take the black and smoke out my outer V. Last shadow I'm going to use is this brownish purple color on my lower lash line. This looks crazy. So now I officially use the entire palette. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out her channel as well and her video in the description. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
You call her Stephanie, I call her Heffany.